Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Moeser, Distance Education Faculty at Unity College. I teach in the Sustainable Aquaculture and Marine Biology degree program. Right now I'm teaching culture techniques for fish and shellfish. So my primary job is that I own and operate an oyster farm off the coast of Maine. I've also done a lot of oyster reef restoration for conservation purposes. Right now, as you can probably see behind me, it's bright and sunny and tropical. That's because I'm in the Dominican Republic and I am researching the glass eel fishery. So these are American eel that are caught as juveniles, and then those fish are taken to seed aquaculture farms in Asia. And it appears to be a really important fishery for local people. So there are a lot of opportunities and a diversity of positions in this field. I would be really excited to have you in one of my classes to learn more about your own interests and talk about potential career opportunities in aquaculture or wild fisheries.